Introducing Acapulco, Sina Alata of the family Pabaci. Acapulco is called Asunting in the Visayan languages. Acapulco is a small branch shrub that is 3 meters tall. Leaves are petiole, pinnately compound, and 40 to 60 centimeters long. Leaflets are oblong with broadly round tips to 15 centimeter long, gradually becoming larger at the terminal portion, with 8 to 14 pairs in one branch. Inflorescence is terminal, axillary, spike-like, and up to 50 centimeters long. Flowers are yellow, pod is straight and up to 15 centimeters long. Acapulco is native to tropical America. It was brought to the Philippines by the Spaniards from Acapulco, thus its local name. It is widely distributed in the Philippines. It is propagated by seeds.